start again. It's a rage thing.
So in this session, we will discuss about typecasting in Python. Typecasting means type conversion from one data type to another. For example, you can change an integer data into a string or a list. So these are the functions by using which you can change one type of data to another. For example, here we have a function str. By using this function, you can change any kind of data into string. But always remember that you can't change any collection data into a primitive data type. For example, you can't change a list into an integer or a float. Okay, but you can change it into string data type. Similarly, you can't change any other form into dictionary. Like you can't change a list or a tuple or a set into dictionary. For example, here we have an integer value that is 10 and you can typecast it into float. To typecast it, we need to first store it in a variable like b and then write float, and within parentheses you need to pass a. And now if you check the type of b, then it will be showing float. Type of b, so it is showing float. Similarly, for example, we have a list like this 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can typecast it into a tuple. Like let me store it in t and then tuple. Now if you print the type like type of t, then it will be showing tuple like this. And also you, for example, we have a integer value that is b equals to 20 and you can typecast it into a string like c equals to str of b. Now if you check the type, then it will be showing string like this. Now you may think, why this typecasting? Here I want to give you two examples where you can find this typecasting very useful. So first one is, for example, we have seen that in case of a list data type, we have a method sort, which returns the list where we have all the elements in ascending order. But if you are using a set data type, then we don't have this facility to sort a set. So if you try to sort this set by using sort data type like s.sort, then you will get an error like this. So by using typecasting, you can first typecast this set into a list like this way: L equals to list of s, and then you can sort this list like L dot sort, and now our elements are sorted. And then again you can typecast it into a set like d equals to set of L. And now if you print d like this way, so it is showing our sorted set. Next example is basically a question where you have a list and within this list you have duplicates value, like we have 1 4 times and 4 2 times and 9 2 times. So you need to remove these duplicates and you need to keep one instance of each elements. The first approach to do this, you can create an empty list and then start filling with the values from the filled list. And before filling, check whether the current value already exists in that new list or not. But Python already provides us an inbuilt data type which ignores the duplicates, which is set data type. By using typecasting, we can solve this problem in a single line. So what we need to do is, we need to first typecast this list into set, like s equals to set of this list, that is a. And now it will remove all the duplicates. And then again typecast it into list, like L equals to. And now if I print this new list, that is L, so this is our expected output.